Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 20th of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Tien-li Offshore Wind Technology, the offshore wind turbine blade supplier to Vestas in Taiwan, has enacted a production shutdown and reportedly laid off 470 employees at the factory. The facility, located in Taichung Harbor, broke ground in 2020 and produced the first blades in 2022 for the V1749.5 megawatt product. Vestas had publicly stated in July 2024 that they would not upgrade the factory to accommodate blade production for the V23615 megawatt product due to market uncertainty and lack of orders there. The Colombian Ministry of Mines and Energy has officially published a draft resolution that calls for and defines the country's first long-term electricity contracting mechanism of the year. This regulation requires electricity retailers to source between 8 and 10% of their energy purchases through contracts backed by sources such as solar PV and wind power. According to the draft, the volume of energy contracted under this auction will count towards meeting that mandatory renewable quota. 3 members of the United States House of Representatives sent a letter to the U.S. Department of the Interior Secretary and U.S. Department of Defense Secretary demanding a classified briefing on the administration's sudden halt of all large-scale offshore wind energy projects in the United States. The U.S. administration claims the pause is based on recently completed classified reports, citing national security concerns. However, these projects already cleared extensive national security reviews, including direct coordination with the Department of Defense before receiving their permits. Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy, Prahlad Joshi, has made a strong pitch for global investors towards opportunities in India's clean and green energy sector at the World Economic Forum. The minister had a focused discussion with La Caisse to tap into the group's committed $400 billion in climate action investments they hope to allocate by 2030. Senior executives from several project developers have identified 2 strategic priorities for Spain, looking ahead to 2026. Those are accelerating electricity demand growth and also establishing a more defined regulatory framework for energy storage. The executives warned that while Spain has abundant renewable resources, mature technology, and strong investment appetite, the system's long-term viability depends on translating installed capacity into sustained and structural electricity consumption. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.